This short video will show you the basics of searching for journal articles on Academic Search Complete. We will begin on the library webpage. Click on Databases A to Z, and under the General Databases heading, you will find Academic Search Complete. Imagine you're working on a paper with the topic of water pollution. Begin your search by typing water pollution in the box and clicking Search. Notice your search produced over 200,000 results. This is an indication that water pollution is a very large topic. For your paper, you will want to narrow your focus. With this in mind, you can use the database search interface to do it. Notice the three search fields and the word "and" connecting the three boxes. Let's try typing in oceans to add to the original search. As you can see, it narrowed the search to over 33,000, but that's still too many results. So let's narrow the search further by typing in Alaska. Now we have over 3,000 results. This is a little more manageable, but we need to narrow further, so let's go to the left side of the results page. As you can see, there are numerous filters in the Refined Results column. For this particular search, let's go to the Filter by Item Type box and click on Academic Journals to include only scholarly journal articles in the results. Next, let's go to the Subject box. This feature is helpful if you want to discover the major subject groups of your topic. Click on the Show More link to open, and here we have a choice to narrow further. Let's choose Arctic regions. Another feature of interest is the publication date range. Use the slider to limit your results to a specific time frame. See, now we're under 100 results. Don't be afraid to experiment with the filters. You can always undo your filtered search by clicking on the X next to the search terms. Now it's time to take a look at the articles. When you see a title interest, hold the cursor over the magnifying glass to the right, and a window pops up with the abstract of the article. An abstract is a summary of what the article is about. When you have found an article of interest, click on the HTML or the PDF full link to see the full text of the article. To the right of the article are tools to help you print the article or to email it to yourself, and to cite the article. To cite the article, click on the icon or the link, and a window will open that gives the article citation in many different styles. Choose the style your instructor wants you to use and copy and paste it into a document. But be sure to always check your style manual to make sure the citation format is correct. Remember that learning to search in an academic database is a new skill, and it takes lots of practice. These are just the basics to searching. If you would like further assistance, the library's website has research guides, and as always, feel free to contact the SRC librarian. Contact information can be found on the library's website.